It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Quick, easy, eggy meal for my tea tonight. Couple of slices of bread, bit of cheese, ham and 2 beaten eggs. And they're in this container because it'll be easier for me to cook them. I've got a large frying pan. I think in America they call them skillet, but that's on there getting nice and hot, so I'll turn the temperature up now. Can you see both? Yes. Put the bread in the eggy mixture. There's 2 eggs in here, and in it goes. Only doing me a couple of slices, which is in there now, so I don't waste the egg mixture. It's going on top of them. Drip down, still be edible. And we just let them cook for a short while. You can add herbs to it, any type you want, salt, mustard, pepper, anything at all. I'm having it neat, which means I'm not having anything in it at all. So I'll just get a fork and see if I can see how this is coming on, and it's more or less done. So I think I'm going to lower the heat and turn this over. If I can get my fish slice under it. I'm using the right hand too well. And there it is. And on top of that one I will put a piece of ham, some cheese, and I've got more cheese than I need here, but oh well. This ham, it's already cooked, it doesn't need cooking anymore. And cheese you can eat as is, so you're alright with them. Add that one over, and on top of the cheese I will put another ham. And it's nearly done. I'll turn the heat back up now. So I want to make sure that it gets cooked, all the eggy mixture does. And this bit that was over, I'll put on there. I mean, if you want it a bit more different, you can add ketchup. I don't like ketchup. You can add brown sauce, soy sauce, sweet chili sauce, whichever you want. It's your sandwich. And this is all it is. It takes a matter of a couple of minutes to make hot, good food. Oh, that's getting nice. So I'm going to put that one on there, squish it down a bit. Turn the heat off. And there it is. And this is a very quick, simple meal. Very nice. I think I'll get some salad stuff and tomatoes and I'll have them with it. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect situation.